Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Tab for you, 2017 Kubota B2301 TLB tractor loader backhoe. Tractor's in very nice shape, 201 hours. This tractor was hardly used, but the gentleman did leave it set out. It does have some fade on the loader, a couple of spots on the hood. We did fully service this tractor, all new filters and oils, went clear through it. Very, very good tractor. It just has a little bit of weathering on the paint, just being very honest. But it has the BH70 backhoe on it, subframe mount, 12-inch bucket. Does have the nice fold-over street pad or cleat-style pad you can use. Does have the turf tire package. I do have the full set of 3-point hitch for it with factory top link, and the bracket is there for the top link. If you would so take the backhoe off to run that, it helps to hold the top link up whenever you have it in a stowed position. We did a full service, like I said. This does have a 54-inch skid steer quick attach bucket on it with an LA 434 quick attach front loader, 12-inch bucket again on the BH70 backhoe. We're going to start you here under the hood. Take you completely around this tractor. Matt, I'm going to grab that hood latch. Got it. So, I'll hit it there for me, I'm sorry. Under the hood of this tractor is going to be powered by a 3-cylinder Kubota diesel engine. Starts and runs excellent. I do believe these were a D1005. 3-cylinder. We've changed every single filter and oil with OEM Kubota filters and oils. So over here is your muffler side, air intake was on the other side, radiator up front, overflow jug, battery, everything of that nature. The hood itself, there was some little scratches here and a couple marks on it. We just want everybody to understand that. The hood's not brand new. There again, we understand that, but we're just being honest with you, showing you that. 54-inch bucket. You see the paint still on the cutting edge. It's in beautiful shape. 2-pin skid loader quick attach. While we're standing up here, both of your 3-point arms are there, complete with top link. He had an extra toolbox bracket here, went with it, and here's the back panel that actually goes in if you have the backhoe off. Coming to the back, again, BH70, subframe mount backhoe, 12-inch bucket. You can see that there's still paint on the teeth. Packing list is still on the side of the bucket, most of it. You can see that the thing was never used. All of your stationary pins here for hauling it or stiff mount pins are there. Does have the fold over style, so these are for on blacktop. Then you can fold them up and use them as a cleat like that. 3-point, you can see, don't know that it was ever on it. The drawbar is there. Folding ROPS, toolbox mount, 201 hour. Armrest package on the seat. So on these tractors, you're going to pull a bracket or a handle right here. Seat's going to fold up, going to latch over. That's how that is going to work for your backhoe attachment. And then you're going to reverse that process just by doing that. You're going to take this around and it's going to latch down. So you got low, medium, and high range. Full drive in and out, up and down for your 3-point hitch arms if you're using them. You have your PTO selection over here, PTO engagement. 2301 does have a tilt steering wheel, okay? Got independent brakes. You do have your throttle pedal there. So I'm going to fire this tractor up. We're going to run it around. We're going to show you it does everything it is supposed to do. Here we go. So these are a nice size little tractor, especially with having the backhoe on them. You can do a lot of work. Nice thing is you got the skid steer quick attach. Four-wheel drive out. So that's low range. Power steering. We're going to go to medium. So these are a B-series size tractor, no emissions. So a much bigger tractor than your BX, obviously. Going to do a lot more work, a lot bigger backhoe. Again, has a nice size power here to do a lot of work. We'll spin the seat around just like so. Latch them into place. So, we'll go ahead and fold our outriggers down. Does have the SMV mount out there on the cylinder, but you can take that off. And again, the backhoe, you can see it's hardly used. Today's money, you are just over $10,000 if you are going to buy a tractor with a backhoe on it new for the BH70 backhoe with your subframe. Very, very expensive backhoe. But the unfortunate thing is today, if you are buying a tractor new and you think you want a backhoe, I don't care what anybody tells you, you need to 100% get yourself the backhoe from brand new because it's just too expensive afterwards to add it. It just costs a lot of money. All your locking pins are in. That's all there is to it. Gonna pull our release. Spin that around. Lock it back in place, idle our tractor back down. So you got turn signals 4 ways, everything works, headlights, tilt, cruise, 3-range hydrostatic drive, seat with armrest package, very good running working tractor. Big thing, it has complete 3-point hitch. So if down the road you do want to add a brush hog, you want to run a finish mower on the back, keep in mind you can put a belly mower under these tractors. But a very nice tractor, subframe mount backhoe, BH70. Again, we've disclosed 100%, paint's not perfect, and I'm over-exaggerating that. A lot of guys would come and look at it and they'd be very tickled. We try to be very honest here, do the right thing. A lot of guys don't do that today. So, again, 2017 Kubota B2301, LA 434 quick attach loader, skid steer quick attach, 54-inch Kubota bucket, BH70, a 12-inch bucket, 3-point hitch arms. Does have, again, the fold-over street-style pads. Turf tire, armrest seat, 201 hour. Very clean, fully serviced, guaranteed to be 100% correct on the mechanical side. Any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.